So yeah, I initially got myself a protein bar, but it was so disgusting. Like, I'm sorry, I tried to be healthy this morning, but yeah.
Oh my god, look what I got. It's so cute. It's a mini Canva thingy, and I thought it was adorable because like I could paint a little something on it and then put it as a decor on my desk or something. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. Let's open it. As you can see, we are back to the old setup, which means you're currently balancing this, and behind you is my water bottle. Hopefully that's okay. Let's open it. Look, it's tiny, it's adorable. My room feels so empty, and I feel like I never explained those things, but basically when I moved to my boyfriend's place, I decided to bring all my cute decor and stuff, so my room became kind of empty, especially since I was in the middle of redecorating it. I got everything down. Oh, it's so hard. I thought I broke it, but yeah, so now it feels very awkward and empty, and it doesn't feel like me, but at the same time I don't want to put too much effort into decorating it. So actually I'm thinking I can literally use that as a phone holder. You know, these phone holders, I got it at Jiffy. I don't know if you guys know this store, but basically they have everything and anything, and it was only like not even €1. But yeah, I want to make the most of summer, just because I feel like every time I'm complaining and it's like too hot and I hate summer, but this time I really try to enjoy it, go out, not be scared about like the sun. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a nap. I think it's 4 p.m. or something, and I put the laundry machine on. I just wanted to give like a little update. I don't know if you can hear me well because I'm filming with my phone. Also, I received my camera, but I can't use it yet because I need a memory card. My boyfriend lent me his, but it doesn't take into account this kind of memory card, so I have to purchase another one. Anyways, so it's here, it's gorgeous. Can't wait to use it, but in the meantime I'm just gonna have to use my phone and be patient. But I was just about to do some doodling yesterday and this morning. I had quite the episode. I felt so, well, obviously it's because of certain personal events, but I felt so down and depressed. Like, I just wanted to cry all day. And that's basically what I kind of did. Yeah, I was feeling really, you know, like really down. But today I really, like, I woke up not feeling that great either. I really wanted to just sleep in and cry all day again, but I got myself out of bed and I decided to have my morning routine, take care of myself, and work on things that I had to do, achieving things that I have been laying around for a while. So I did that, took some appointments. Now I finished the setting up the podcast. I just need to record more episodes and edit them before I launch the podcast. Hopefully it'll be in September. Yeah, super excited about that. I'm so happy with how the cover turned out. I'm gonna put it here.